Hi everyone, we are from Nafair Technology, Seniran Berhad. We are introducing you one smart home solution. In smart home solution, we have basically four systems. We have smart energy system, which it can save power. We have eyewitness security system. It's a for surveillance and alarm system. And we have RFID lock system. It's a semi-automated lock door system. And what we are focusing today is a smart home IR system, where it's a system that can control home appliances via a mobile apps using a smartphone. And in smart home IR system, what we need in terms of hardware, it's a smart home IR system terminal, which is this one, and also a smartphone. In this terminal, inside this terminal, what we have is this one. What we need to know is a Bluetooth dongle. This is the micro USB power, which is 5 volt, and this is IR transmitter, and this is IR receiver. To set up this system, basically we just connect this micro USB power to this one, and an indicator of red color LED will show up, and just wait for a while. And then what you need is a smartphone with the mobile apps of Smarthome terminal to get connected with this terminal. Firstly, we just open the Smarthome terminal, which is downloadable in Google Apps, and then we connect to the Smarthome terminal 001, which is this device via Bluetooth. While it's connecting, and it's connected now. Basically it has many functions. I'm going to show you how to turn off your aircon via these mobile apps. We're going to this one. This is the aircon. To turn it off, we just press the off button to this terminal, and this terminal will send the IR to your aircon. By pressing this button, the aircon will be turned off. And to turn it on, we just press this on button, which is set up in this mobile apps, and it's on. As you can see, the way it works is just simple. Using your mobile apps, it gets connected to the terminal via Bluetooth, and this terminal will send infrared to your aircon, which your aircon is controlled by IR, and it will receive command via your mobile apps anywhere from your home. Besides aircon, this device also can control other home appliance that is controllable via IR. As an example, your television, you can control it via this mobile using this smart home system. As another example is your Astro. Now we can just press your via mobile to control your Astro. For non-controllable via IR home appliances, we do provide our IR switch as a receiver that can control other appliances that is not controllable via IR. As example, your lamp in your house, and like your fan, you can turn on and turn off via mobile apps. And I'm going to demo how it works. Basically, as usual, we need the Smarthome terminal, we need this switch. Basically, inside this switch we have this kind of connection. This is the output, it will be connected to the lamp, and this is the input, it will be connected to the main power source, which is this one. And now I'm going to demo how it works. This is the minibus power supply for the Smarthome terminal. This is the power supply for this two lamp. This is to turn on. This is to turn on the lamp. The lamp is on now. How it works, we go to our Smarthome terminal. service is not connected. Wait. Oh, I'm going to turn off the light first. Cannot see it. Just go to mobile apps. This is the part where to turn on and turn off the lamp. I'm going to show one example for this power saver lamp. Turn it on. To turn it off, you just turn it off. It will send the data to the SARIM terminal, SARIM to this IR receiver, which control the main power, and it turn off the power saving lamp. To turn it on, you just press on and it will on. It's easy to control your home appliance from these mobile apps. To show another one, this is just simple. You just press it off, both with off, on for both on. We turn on the lamp and it's on now, both of it. By turning it off, we just press off and it will be gone off. Press on to turn it on. Now, from this system, we can now change our home appliance in this simple Nafair control system. Those home appliance that doesn't have a IR, we provide our own switch to control on and off. Now we don't need any switch on our wall to control our home appliance. We can turn it on and off via our mobile using these accessories, our IR switch. This is demonstration for our IR switch. Now we're going to switch it off. This smart home system, it's a smart system where we can control our home appliances using mobile phone. And for our home appliances that doesn't have the control, we can capture the picture, simply capture the picture, and we can add the button by ourselves by pressing add button. For example, in the picture we want this beyond, delete it first. We want this beyond to be a button, and then we just save it. And let's say we want to reprogram button. We assume this button to be the icon. Simply search for our icon on and off. It's this one, and then we update and then save. Now this button will be as an icon control. When you press this button, it will turn off the icon, and when you press it again, it will turn the icon on. I'm sorry, it's a turning off appliance. When you press it again, what happened? It will turn on the icon. In this home smart system, other than that, we have to capture IR. As example, the control, it's not in our smart home data. We can just capture the IR and we save it, and next we will control the system. We have application option. We can add button, delete, reposition button, reprogram button, save and return to user mode. After we add reposition button and reprogram, we need to save and return to user mode, or we can select cancel. And this is for great features of this system. We have device schedule. You can simply schedule your system to turn it on when and what time. For example, you can turn on aircon at 4 p.m. just before you go back home at 5 p.m. It's a great application. You can turn off your Astro at 3 a.m. just before you fall asleep. This is our smart home IR system, and in the future we are going to develop and improvising our system by having dimmer, which we can control the intensity of the light, and also the alarm system. We can view, we can have a look on our house, using surveillance our house, using our mobile apps, and we can control our alarm system, turn it on, turn it off, and so on and so forth. And inshallah, for a non IR system control, but for example our appliance, the lamp, it's far from the siren terminal distance, inshallah we are developing a type 2 siren bus which we are using wired to control. The same concept, using mobile apps to control the appliance. Our product provides you a system where all appliances is controllable just using your smartphone. That's all from us. Smarthome Solution, a product of Nafair Technology Sendirian Berhad.